I want you to listen carefully to this information I want to tell you right now, because it concerns your health. You know, in this page, I also give health advice, though this period I have not been so active on health. You get it? For those of you who always cook your moi moi in leather bags, that's polythene bags, nylon bags, please stop it, because I have never knew of this until I got to this video I'm about to show you. Please, the only thing you can do to help me disseminate this information fast is help me share this video to your loved ones, because it's going to save them. Just help me share this video. I never knew that people could be silently buying for this. As moi moi the sweet rich, so I don't know say na so the process is when they attach to them, they also the kpai person. So please just watch this video and let's see.
You see this moi moi? It looks so succulent and smells nice, right? But what if I told you that there is something in this moi moi that could silently be destroying your health? So please stop cooking your moi moi in leathers and nylon bags, and listen closely. Nylon is made from petrochemicals like polyamides, which break down when exposed to heat. So when you boil your moi moi in nylon bags, on exposure to heat, the nylon bag releases dangerous chemicals like BPA, bisphenol A, phthalates, and dioxin. These chemicals mimic hormones in your body, damage your liver, affect fertility, and have been linked to cancer and birth defects. Ask yourself, why is it that infertility, hormonal imbalance, cancer, kidney and liver problems are now common than those days? Ask yourself these questions. So you can see that while you are feeding your body, you are also feeding diseases. For every bite you take from that nylon wrapped moi moi, you are feeding a disease in your body. But I've got good news for you. Here is what you can do instead, and start doing it now. 1. Use moi moi leaves. Yes, those local leaves. Use them just the way our mother did. 2. You can try aluminum containers. Aluminum containers are better than using nylon or leather bags. 3. You can use stainless steel bowls or enamel cups. The street doctor is telling you now. Number 4. You can use food grade silicone molds. Number 5. Even clean picnic tin. Yes, this used picnic tins. Clean them and use them. They are better than using nylon bags to cook your moi moi. Yes, use agolo. Those agolo they use those days that year, where our mother they use. You can go back to the use of agolo instead of to use nylon. See, this is not to scare anybody. What you go know be say your health na your hand na e dey. Start using traditional safe materials to prepare your moi moi. So if you love moi moi and your family, then cook it right. If you get value from this video, please you can share and repost this video so that we can unlearn the dangerous way of preparing our moi moi and begin to learn the safer way of doing things. So kindly follow the street doctor for real talk that will protect your life.